Hello. Hello. I think I'm audible now. Am I audible now? Hello. Am I? Can you hear me? People. I'll check. Hello. Hello. Yeah, got it. Hello. Yeah. Yeah, got it. Finally, yeah. So happy that I figured it out. Nice. Nice. Hey. I'm not a technical guy, okay? So me fixing some problem, technical problem is very proud moment for me, okay? Because I'm not this technical guy. But I did it. I'm happy. Okay, back to where were we? Really sorry for all people that you had to face this issue, but it is yes. Now you're audible. Yes. Finally, I am audible. Yes, I can hear myself. Yes. Sorry for all those people. I really hope that all the people who went can join again. I'm really sorry for this thing to happening. But I fixed it, bro. That's an achievement. I fixed it. Na. A little issue we faced, but that is fine. We are back again, okay? We are back. I'm just making sure everything is fine and everything will be fine. But I fixed it, bro. I fixed my problems. That is a nice thing. That I fixed my problems. So happy. Everything running very, very smooth. Okay, let's get started. Let's get started. Sorry, everybody. Sorry for that. Sorry. Okay, now we were talking about Bitcoin. No, Sui. I don't deal with Sui, bro. It's a little network issue over here. The net is little slow. Yeah. So we were talking about our app, the Zbit app. I'm really, really sorry for the interruption. This interruption in between, the audio went away automatically. I don't know what happened, and then I got it back. So we are looking good. We are right now having everything with us. So, like I was telling you all people regarding our app, the Zbit app is a crypto exchange app for all of you people to, like, we are restarting. So I don't think I need to reintroduce myself. My name is Yashpal. You all know it. I don't need to reintroduce myself. So we'll start from where we left off. We were talking about the rewards for the new users, which they can get for downloading the Zbit app. So for downloading, first, there is a link in my live comment section posted by my channel, that is Zbit. You tap on that link, and if you are not tapping on that link, at least if you're downloading an app, you should have that EQEAG, all caps, invite code. That is my invite code, which can give you a free rewards. When I say rewards, don't just consider that they will give you 10%, 20%, 30% off. No. My invite code can give you a lot of those. You will understand when I talk about my the first mandatory rewards which you will be getting, all of you. Now, there are 4 tasks which you need to complete. First task is to register yourself. Give the common information, your name, your number, your email, and have a password, because you need to protect your app from the other people to interact or to use or something. So you need to make sure that you are making a login credential which is just for you and only you can use it. Okay, after that, when you do that, you will be getting a reward. This is a free cryptocurrencies, which is like maybe Bitcoin, maybe Ethereum, maybe Solana, maybe Doge, maybe Pepe, maybe Shiba. These are the 6 coins from where you can pick, but you cannot pick. It is up to that free spin, which is gonna spin, and is gonna point at one thing which you can get. Obviously, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana is okay. Bitcoin and Ethereum, we are not gonna give you the complete one coin, okay, because that is worth. If I give you one Bitcoin, it will be worth more than $107K. Obviously, that much we won't be getting. Our rewards, if you compile the whole price of our reward, will be around $1,200 worth of rewards you can get. Okay, $1,200. In INR, it would be approximately $100 in rupees. Their numbering system is so wrong. This is Chinese laptop. I don't understand Chinese numbering systems. Let me just do it in my phone. $1,200 in rupees. It would be 1,02,000. Okay. Gone. You would be getting approx 1,02,000 INR. Okay, 1,02,000 INR worth of free rewards from this one thing, that is coming to our platform, completing this 4-step, and 1,02,000 INR is yours. Is completely yours, free of cost. No money is asked from yourself, even if we are because the 3rd step is asking you money, but that is not for us. That is for your deposit. That is your deposit. Like when you want to, if you want to come, the platform you are joining is a crypto exchange platform. Obviously you need to take a trade. For taking a trade, you need to deposit. For taking if you want to deposit, obviously you need to take a trade as well. So for that, you need to deposit. But we'll get back to it. But now let's talk about our second step. The first step was to register. The first step was to make sure that you are getting your login credentials and few information, your name, place, animal thing kind of information in that app. Okay. After that, the second step comes is KYC. Obviously, we need to verify you. We need to see if you are a genuine person or not. We need to see if you are a genuine person or not. We need to see if you are actually we want ourselves to be a scam proof. We want ourselves to be a safe proof thing. Okay, we don't want you to come over here and we don't want you to like scam us with regarding XYZ of thing, and then we are just sitting with getting scammed from all of you people. So for that, yes, we need to do KYC. And this is not the first time you are doing KYC. Okay, you are obviously doing KYC since so long time. You are doing KYC. You are doing KYC for every of those stuffs. You are doing KYC for your phone app. You are doing KYC for your financial like GPay, PhonePay, Find, XYZ kind of thing. You need to do KYC, and it is very easy. It's just some ID proof we will be asking you. Maybe your if you are in Dubai, your Emirates ID. If you are in India, your Aadhaar card, PAN card, like whatever. Like just to make sure that the person who registered is exactly the person who is using this app. Okay. So for making that thing sure, we need this thing to be done, which is taking care of your KYC verification. And that, trust me, that would be done in just like 20-30 minutes. It's not going to take more than that time. Other than this, what you need to do is, you need to make sure that you are getting a reward. Now, what is that reward? What is that second task? KYC. Second reward is a double bonus reward which you will be getting free of cost. Why I am having this dollar thing in my phone? Yeah. The second thing which you will be getting is a double bonus reward. Whatever things you are getting in the first step, that can be into 2x and it can be multiplied in the second step. There is a chance, but okay, not compulsorily you will be getting that. There is a chance for you to win the double bonus reward. But the third step, you don't have to worry. Even if you are not getting the second, the third one is that one thing which you are needing, which you want the most. What is that third thing? Third task is to deposit. Third task is to deposit at least $10 or more than $10. We won't even be accepting $9.99. It should be $10 or more than $10. Got it? Okay. Once you get that $10 deposit in your account, this is that reward which you are waiting for to hear, which you'll be amazed to hear, because this is not something which you are expecting, but this is something which we wanted to give to our people. This is why we are saying that you are getting the reward worth $1,200. Now the third reward will be, you will be getting a chance to have, you will be getting a chance to have a surprise multiplier. Now, how a surprise multiplier works? Surprise multiplier is basically whatever rewards you are getting. You put my invite code, you got XYZ reward. You did the registration, you got XYZ reward. You did the second KYC thing, you got XYZ rewards. Okay. Now there are so many rewards which we did. From that, what you will get, that's why I'm saying XYZ. Whatever you get. In that third reward, the first, the second, and the first and the second reward will be getting multiplied by surprise multiplier. You have seen that game Subway Surfer, in that you are collecting coins, you get so many rewards in between, that flying thing, that jumping boots, and every of those things, right? Now there is also one thing which people never understood what is it, but this is the most important thing. That was the multiplier. Sometime you will get a fire kind of logo, and that there will be 3x. Now every coin that guy will be getting in a Subway Surfer will be multiplied by 3. 3 times more coins you will be getting. One coin will be considered as a 3 coin. Similarly, we are having a surprise multiplier for you awaiting, and that is mandatory. Okay, that is not a chance that you have to do free spin or something like that. No, there is a chance for you to have that, and that surprise multiplier is gonna start not from 2x, not from 1x, not from 0.1x. That surprise multiplier is gonna start from 5x, and it can go up to 100x. There is a high chances for all of you people, and trust me. Okay, yeah, again, I should not be saying this, but yes, there are more than 5 people who got 100x. Their rewards got turned into more than $1,200, more than that. Can you just imagine? The mandatory one is to get you $1,200 worth of reward. It is approximately in INR 1,02,000 something INR. But that surprise multiplier, if generally you won't get, see, seriously I'm saying generally you won't get the 100x. But there are more than 5 people who have got it. So that tells us that how a good amount of that free spin is a complete pure algorithm. If you are having that luck, you can have it. And I will also tell you one very easy way to achieve that thing. Okay, now everyone, okay, I should not say this, because that's a trick, that's like a hack, that's like a that thing which you can get very good advantage of. But okay, I will tell you. You are having family, you are having a friends, you are having a circle. Now, if for example, let's talk about a family. Your family, if they consider, if you are a joint family, lucky, you are the luckiest person for having this hack. Trust me, you are the luckiest person to have this hack if you are having a joint family. But even if you are not having a joint family, you are just like a normal family which is consisting of like 4 or 5 people. Now, you downloaded the app, you saw that there is nothing, there is not have like you are not getting that Bitcoin or Ethereum or something. Download your mom's phone, download in your father's phone, download in your sister's phone, download in your other every friend's phone or something. Download it. Till that moment, till that time, you are actually getting that coin, you are actually getting that thing, because trust me, it is possible. We have seen that this is like inside news. I'm telling you, like these people are actually getting it. How they are getting it? I didn't got it because I'm using iOS, so this thing is not available for iOS, but you can go and download it from the website. Okay, now I got Ethereum. I got Ethereum. I was not happy. I wanted actually Bitcoin, but I got Ethereum. I got Ethereum in like I guess 4th to 5th time. So you make sure that in the first time, if you're not getting it, do not feel sad. You can download it from your family. You can download it from your friend's app. Download it as many of the time. Use that free spin as many of the time, so that one algorithm will hit to you and will give you the free cryptocurrencies, free Bitcoin, free Ethereum, or free Solana, something like that, which is worth a lot. Because I get it, like Doge, Shiba Inu, Pepe, they are not worth that much. But what about Ethereum, bro? What about our normal Ethereum, normal Bitcoin? Obviously, we won't be giving you the one coin worth thing. Okay, we won't be giving you a complete one coin itself. We will be giving you some percentage, like 0. This, 0. that, 0. this, 0 XYZ. Okay, so make sure that you are actually investing in the downloading You are completing all the rewards, completing all the tasks. Okay, we were in the third task, that is for you to deposit. Deposit just $10. $10 in INR is just 800 rupees. 800, if I round figure it, have 900, because it will be some 860, 870 or 880, depending on whatever the currency is going on. But it will be something round figure. If I have to do it, it will be some 800 rupees, 900 rupees round figure. That is more than money which you spend on your LITs, your beers, your clubbing, you're doing. If you're a family person, you spend more than having some home decor, some that glass, some very good tray you see, some very good glass you see, that is costing more than that. Okay, so you just need to deposit just $10, and that too is not for us. Are we asking that money? Are we asking that money? No, that is for your trading. Okay, I said 6 times your. That means that is nothing to do with us. Don't think about this thing that we are asking you money for us. No, we don't want it. If we are the person who is offering you rewards more than $1,200, do you really think we are requiring money from you? No. We just want you to be a financially freedom. That's all we are needing. This is one app which is only and only for the audience benefit. This is not for us. Like, so obviously, yeah, we'll be getting benefit, but not that much which you are expecting. Okay, we are just here for help you all people, nothing else. This is one of that startup which you can see where is solely considering just in the benefit of the audience, because that's our future. If the audience are there, we are there. If audience is not there, what are we used for? Nothing. So you just need to deposit $10. That is worth just what? 900 INR. That's it. That is more than your saving which you are having. And once you deposit that money, you will be getting a surprise multiplier. I'm telling you, your rewards can be converted from 5x to 100x very easily. And there are more people. There are more than 20. There are more than 30 people who have got 20x as well. 20x is like multiplying your rewards 20 times more. Just understand, if you get a Bitcoin, if you are luckiest person, you will get Bitcoin. If you are second luckiest person, you will get Ethereum. If you are third luckiest person, you will get Solana. If you get Solana, which is like, what is the current market price of Solana? It is $144. If that $144 gets multiplied by 20, just imagine the amount you will be having in your wallet. Are you thinking this thing? So once you deposit, after that you will be getting the rewards of so many of those things. Like you will be getting surprise multiplier once you deposit thing. That is the best reward you will be getting. But there is one reward which I should not be disclosing, because that's my invite code reward, which is only for those people. Only those people should know who is getting that invite code. But I should not be saying it. It's fine. I should not be saying it. It's not a good thing if I share you that information. It's not actually a good thing if I share you that information, but it is better than the third. It is better than the third reward. Okay. It is very, 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 very better than the third reward. The third reward talked about what? The third reward told us that you are gonna be having the third reward talked about that you are gonna have that multiplier, surprise multiplier, 5x, 100x, right? My invite code can be better than that reward. Just say. I cannot say that reward, but it can be better than that reward. That's what I'm about. That's what I'm going to tell you. Okay, now you completed 3 tasks till now. Registration, got the free cryptocurrencies, maybe Bitcoin, maybe Ethereum, maybe Solana, up to your luck. And I told you one hack which you can do. Download it from as many as app, download it from as many as other phones. Maybe your family, your father, your mother, your sister, your cousin, your brother, anything. Download from as many apps as you can. And then you can get a high chances of getting that free spin into Ethereum, Bitcoin or Solana. Okay, now Other than that, second task is for you to do KYC. Once you do the KYC, there will be a reward, there will be a chance for you to win double bonus reward. Double bonus reward can be multiplied into 2x. But you don't have to worry about that. Even if you don't get it, that is really fine. That is an extra thing. If you are lucky, you will be getting. But third reward is a compulsory. You will be compulsory getting a surprise multiplier ranging from 5x. We are not saying 1x, 2x, 3x, 4x. Leave those things. From 5x until 100x, you will be getting a surprise multiplier. All the rewards will be getting multiplied by doing a deposit. That should be $10 worth 900 INR. And that too is for you, not for us. That is for you to do trading, because this is not a shopping app. This is not a transaction app. This is a completely crypto exchange app. That one crypto thing which is booming in right now time period this much, that people like buying cryptocurrency like crazy. These big wealthiest people, all this, like, see, you can understand this one very specific thing, that those people, like the one who are sitting on the top, they are the one who always thinks 10 times ahead, 20 times ahead, 30 times ahead. They always think about these situations. Now, if they are the one who are crazily, massively investing into the cryptocurrency, they might have thought about something. If you don't trust the common persons, that is totally fine. But what about those people? Why they are interested in this? Why rich people are invested in this? Is it just a rich cult? No. Rich people will always get their hand into something in the very beginning, which they think that is going to be a big blockbuster in the future. And trust me, the digital currency is actually the next gen for the finance. In the same way, if you don't trust me, like, just imagine, where was your marketing? It was a physical door-to-door salesman. Now we are into digital marketing. Digital marketing is proven to give you more rewards, more. Digital market has proven to you to give you more results, more approach, more outreach, more like connecting from one corner of the global to the another corner of the global. That has made possible by the digital marketing. Then came the digital way of shopping. So many sales. The people are not even going out, they are ordering online. So many sales. Then came the digital way of doing transactions. Then came the digital way of transactions, that is sharing the money from Google Pay, Phone Pay, and all of those things via simple one tap, one click. Do you have to stand in the line of the bank? No. Do you have to go anywhere and be on that platform for a long period of time just to deposit the money, just to send money to somewhere? No. It is happening from one click. Everything around you, if you observe, is turning into digital, is becoming digital. You are watching me from a phone. You are watching me. I am in Dubai right now. You are watching me from your XYZ, whatever place you are living in right now, via digital thing. Everything is digital. Then why there was only one thing, that was a finance, which was still a traditional way? Even like, I'm not denying it, more than 70% still people use traditional way of finance because they are not aware about it. The 30% are the only one who are aware of it, and they are actually at that stage where they are having mansions, they are having so much money, multiple business tycoons, multiple cars, multiple mansions, and blah blah stuff. Only those 30%. Why? Because the 30% are the only, that you will notice this one thing, the people who are ready to change, the people who are ready to accept the change are the only one who are going ahead in their life with a success. The people who are still stuck in that mentality, stuck down, that I'm down to earth person, I'm this, I'm that, I'm blah. Make a roti out of it and stick it to the wall, because that is not gonna be any use of it. The one who make a roti and put it on the tawa are the one who is eating. If you're sticking on the road, it's like no use. No use, brother. Okay. So, those are the new user rewards for all of our people who are wanting to be a part of lifestyle, wanting to be a part of cryptocurrencies, wanting to be a part of the next gen thing, where you can be like already in the, like, if you think like can be the next thing, if you are already having it, you are having an advantage rather than those people, okay, the one who are not having it. So this is the first thing. Now second thing which I want to tell you about is, but do not forget to make sure that you are having that EQEAG invitation code, my invitation code, into your app or the website wherever it asks you invitation code, because this is gonna help you in one very specific thing, in getting the most greatest reward which you are not expecting. I'm not going to disclose this. I'm just going to say that this is a very greatest thing which you will be having. Trust me, very greatest thing. Okay. Now, other thing which we are also offering to all of people. Now, there is a task for you. It's not even a task. It's just like a fun game kind of structure. It's like a very fun game we are hosting for all of you people. Don't even consider this as a very big event where you need to be very qualified or personal. No. If you are very good at finding people's mistake, if you can find mistakes in anything, in people's eating, in people's walking, in people's talking, in people's living, in the people dressing, in the people looking, in the people like breathing, even like we have seen, like you have seen, if you are an Indian brown kid and you are in the house, you are being judged from the day starts to the day end. You know what I am talking about. Okay, so I have a very great opportunity for all of you people, of all of my Indian people. If you, because I know Indian people are those one who are very good at finding out mistakes. So for all those people, I have this one very good opportunity for all of people. This is, we are hosting one event which is called as bug hunting event. What is this bug hunting event? This bug hunting event talks about finding mistakes in our app, in our website. If you find mistakes in us, just report it, how you need to do it and where you need to post it, what kind of things you will be getting from that. And trust me, this is right now, we are not giving you that free spin or something like that. Okay, this is a pure transaction. You find mistake, you get money. You get money not in INR but in dollars. Okay, you will be getting a chance to win $50 free. There is no entry fee, there is no transactions fee, there is nothing. That $50 is gonna come straight to your wallet. By doing what? By just finding mistake. What kind of mistake? Let's talk about it. Now, if you open our app, you open our website, there are few features, there are few options, there are something like anything. Like if you want to open the app, you want to go to that option. Like for example, if you want to open the spot, the spot is not opening, the spot is not clicking, the spot is not opening. That is a glitch. That is a bug in our app. That thing is not allowing to do that thing which is supposed to do. Like for example, if I turn on the switch of a light, like I want to turn on the light, I am switching, but the thing is not working. It is supposed to work. If I put it in the switch on, the light should be on, but it is not. It is supposed to make the light glow, but it is not making it glow. That is a bug. That is a glitch which needs to be fixed. So if you find such kind of things, if some options are not working, if you click on that option, the whole app is crashing down. If you want to do XYZ of thing, but it is not able to do. If you want to try some features, but that feature is not able to make those things happen, then those are called bug. Spelling mistakes are not a bug. Not a bug. It's a typo mistake. Okay. That those are not glitch or those are not bug. Understand this point? Okay. So, for you, how many bugs you need to find out to get $50? Obviously, for one bug, we are not giving you $50. This is too much. This is too much, because you might be finding more than 1, more than 10, more than 50, more than 60, or maybe 70 kind of bugs. If you are, and those are not like we haven't like put there, like those are not less like our developers mistake. We have put there so that you can find it out. We want to see how good you are in your observation. So explore the whole app. Go on every options, go on every of those corners of our apps, tap everything, check everything if everything is working smoothly or not. But for that you need to download. For downloading, you will get those rewards which I told you, and please make sure that you are making that invite code in that invite box, putting that invite code in that invite box, so that you will be getting a free good amount of rewards. Okay, now the other thing which I wanted to tell you all people, that what kind of bugs you need to find out. How many bugs you need to find out to get that kind of money. Okay, first thing, you need, if you collect 5 to 15 bucks, if you find 5 to 15 bucks, how you need to collect it? Screen record it. Obviously, this is not insect that you can catch by nest. This is a glitch which you need to show. By showing, you cannot come to Dubai and to say like, yeah, I found a bug, give me money. No, that is not gonna happen. So you need to screen record it, where you are facing that bug, and you need to show it to us. Like, see, I'm tapping, not working, I'm tapping, the app is crashing down. Those kind of things you need to show to us by screen recording. After the screen recording, you need to send it to us. Like, see, in my description right now, if I just, okay, I have to show it to all the people, bro. Yaar. 1 second, huh? I'm showing it to you. Oh, that's me. Okay. See, this is me. See, this is me in the side, and that's me in the other side. Leave this thing. No. Okay, this is a description. You go on the description and you can find out. See, can you see this WhatsApp number? Yeah, you can see the WhatsApp number, and you can also see the email. And this is our official website, but that's for the Zbit. That's our P2P market. There is other, we need to update it. Okay, we will update it. Cool. So this is our phone WhatsApp number. You can send that screen recording with a small description about saying that this is not working, this is not working. Like for example, if spot is not working, spot not working, don't give us essay. We don't want essay from you. Be a very minimalist person. Just tell it in a very small words. This not working, app crashing down, there, blah 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 stuff. Okay, so you got it, where you have to contact. This is our WhatsApp number and this is our email. Okay, so I showed you where you have to contact us again. Now, there are some do's and there are some don'ts. What are the do's? You can actually find different mistakes in different app. Like a website, if there is some glitch or some bug in the website, you can record it and send it to us. And if there is something different in the app, you can record it and send it to us. But if website and the app are having a same issue, same problem, that will be considered as one. If the bug is same, it will be considered as one only. Okay, there is no that kind of structure is going to happen that you are going to get 2 to 3 different things. Like website is having the same, app is having the same, that is considered 2. No, it will be considered 1. Same bug, 1. Different bugs on the different platform, considered 2. You can record website as well, you can record app as well. That can help you in knowing the bugs which you need to find. Now, this is the rewards which I was telling you all people. Okay, I want to show you rewards as well, right? Wow, how much you will be getting and all and all. Where is Lark? Lark is, I need to log in. I am not logging in Lark right now. Okay, so I will tell you verbally, you will understand it. If you find 5 to 15 bucks, you will be getting $5. If you find from 16 to 30 bucks, you will be getting 15, yeah, not 10 or 15. I forgot. 1 second. Bug hunting event. Bug hunting event. Bug hunting event. Okay, got it. So if you find out $15, you'll be getting $5 worth of cash straight into your wallet. If you find 16 to 13 bucks, you will be getting $10 worth of cash straight, not cash like into like the wallet, the digital way. Okay, not the money. So not the cash, but into your wallet. Now, if you find out 31 to 70 bucks, you will be getting $25. If you are finding more than 71 to 99 bucks, you will be getting $35. And plus, if you are getting more than 100 bucks, you are getting a chance to win the complete $50 worth of cash into your wallet. $50, this is not a very small amount to have. $50 is a great amount to have. Okay. So those were the things which I wanted to tell you. This is an important notification, important announcement for all of our users, for all of our people who are coming here for learning trading or being a part of the Zbit family. Trust me, see, if you are a part of Zbit family, you are the most luckiest person right now, because being a part of Zbit family doesn't come with having no benefits. It only comes with having many such benefits which you will be amazed to have. Okay. डाउनटाउन में लगी आग, दीवारी मेरा लग गया, ऐसा खंजर मारा सीना मेरा छिल के गया, मेरी हील वाली खिल गया, मुझे लगी आग, साला फील ले गया. Bro, why net is not working here? So we डाउनटाउन में लगी आग. Yesterday, I told you regarding this one thing. We did an analysis that this is gonna be the true supply zone which we can see, and you can clearly see the market 4 to 5. It gave you breakout as well. I told you this one thing as well. Wait, let me just zoom it so that you can see it very clearly. First trade I gave you yesterday was that I showed you that the whole market is moving in one range. If it breaks that range, then you can go for a buying. If it breaks up, that is, if it gives you a breakout, then you can go for buying. But if it gives you breakdown, then you can go for selling. The one common thing I told you that if it gives you breakout, there are high chances that market gonna touch that supply zone and again gonna fall down. Okay, it happened not one time, not two time, more than, see, one. I will show you. One time is 2, 3 and 4. 4 and 5. 5 time market went up, touched that exact supply zone, and I told you that is the high strong resistance right now, which is supposed to be broken, but it is not ready for. We can clearly see the market tried not one, not two, not three, 5 time market tried to break that resistance from there, but it is failed to break. But we, on the other hand, can take advantage of that one thing, that is multiple trades we can take. All the time whenever we see the market has fallen down, we can go for buy entry, because we know again the market is gonna touch that zone again and again and again. That is same exact thing is gonna happen until unless it is break. The most bad thing which can have to you is, see, market can go down. Where is that thing? Market can go down, come to its exact this point where it took the first great support to go up. We have seen the market fallen down to 109, 90, sorry, not 109. We have seen the market fallen by 98k, right? 98k the market fall down, and from there the market took a very great support up. The market came straightly towards this point, toward the point of our 104 range. There it tried to consolidate for 4 to 5 times, and we can clearly see, I told you this is a very good fair value gap which was created, and from that fair value gap we can see multiple time market came there, went up, market came there, went up, and finally it took the final support and it straight went to our supply zone. Making a supply zone, and this supply zone is actually I have taken from, yes, this is a one very big fair value gap which I told you, which I took from actually the 1 hour time frame, and it's also, you can clearly see that this is same thing is visible at our 5-minute time frame as well. So today we are going to do a market analysis, complete market analysis, what we can see in Ethereum, Solana, XRP, like all the coins which are listed here. We'll go for Bitcoin, we'll go by Ethereum, we'll go by Solana, we'll go by XRP, and yeah. And there are some things which I need to tell you as well, because I also found some news which is very important for all of you people to know. So before starting our analysis, I want to share some news with you all people, because you know how important news is. I don't have to tell you again and again why news are important, because you have clearly seen that all the news affects the market. Market is falling down by the war news. Market is going up by the help of the whale activity. Market is going up with the some good thing which is happening for the crypto market. Some stable coin law which is being passed. Some stable coin other thing which is passing by the US government, or any other people who is accepting cryptocurrency to be that thing which we are all hoping at. If US government is accepting it and they made a crypto reserve, I don't think they are doing it for like they don't know regarding that stuff, or they don't know regarding like we are the person who don't know regarding anything. They are the one, like US is actually like always 4 to 5 to 6 steps ahead than the whole world. So if he is taking some steps, he might be thinking about something to take that step. We have seen like India is considered to be a third world country. Why we cannot be the first world? Because we always listen to our government. And even right now our government is doing the same exact thing. Putting taxes, rather than motivating people to go for digital currency, to have an innovation or some ideas regarding the digital currency, they are making the people have 30% to pay. They're making the people to pay 30% of taxes. 30% of taxes for what? Okay, let me just share you that news, because knowing news is very important. Anything happening outside is a very that stuff which you should be knowing regarding. Okay, so the title says the meta planet scoops up 1, 2, 3, 4 more. It's not a counting I'm giving you, okay? They actually did in the numerological number, like 1, 2, 3, 4. 1,234 more Bitcoin holding, which is reaching right now their whole holding is about 12,345 Bitcoin they're holding right now. 12,345 Bitcoin they're holding. They made more addition of 1234 BTC. That is 1,234 BTC they added in their account. Okay, for holding. What happened? Metaplanet, a Japanese investor. You must have heard so much about Metaplanet. This Metaplanet is actually like crazily buying Bitcoin, crazily, because see that they have so much of money in their equity, like people are investing in their shares as well. Now they have a pile up of money which they don't know where to use, how to use. So they obviously are gonna do some things. They're obviously gonna make sure that everybody is going for the Bitcoin, and they might have found out few things as well. Because see, some informations are not capable of understanding of us, the small investors. The big investors, they have a whole team, the analysts, the CA, the SM, blah 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 stuff. They know their job is to get paid to do research, to make sure that this thing, wherever they're investing, is a safe proof. They are not gonna have risk and blah blah stuff. So their total Bitcoin holding now stands at 12,345 Bitcoin. How much did they pay? They paid an average price of 15.6 million yen. Okay, whatever that Japanese currency is, per BTC. That is about 1,700 USDT dollar. $1,07,900 per coin, bro. Per coin. That amount of money is like I will get someday. I may get faint by hearing that amount. 1,07,900 for one coin. Why? Why is this important? Just imagine just having that one coin, bro. Just imagine. And that same thing we are giving you for free of cost. We are obviously not going to give you the whole complete one coin of BTC. We are obviously not going to give the whole complete one coin of BTC. Obviously. But we are offering you some small amount which is worth not 1 lakh but some $1,000. Obviously it will be worth. And like I told you, with the information, I should not be telling you that some people have already got it. And we know those people because it's our app. We know what people are doing in our app, who got what and everything. So we are looking at this structure, we are looking at those scenarios, and we are feeling happy for those customers because that's what we came for. We came here to make our customers happy, and we are making it, and we are feeling proud of it. Now, this is a move part of Metaplan's big plan to buy 2,10,000 Bitcoin. Right now they are at 12,000. They want to buy 2,10,000 Bitcoin by the year of 2027. So you can clearly expect one very specific thing. We are in 2025. Okay, we are in 2025. By the 2 years. From here, if we count out 2 years, we can clearly see this one very specific thing, that we are gonna face a very massive price rise of Bitcoin. If an investment, even if the industrial people, okay, even if an industrial people is gonna buy 2,10,000, he wants to have that kind of thing. He's just having 12,000. In this 2 years, he's gonna have more than 1,90,000 Bitcoin is gonna buy. 1,90,000 Bitcoin investment he's gonna make in this 2 year. Just imagine the price surge which is gonna face by Bitcoin. That's why analysts are saying. Why analysts say ki Bitcoin price, we are looking at the Bitcoin can reach to this level. We can see Bitcoin at 130k. We can see Bitcoin at 200k. We can see Bitcoin at 500k, because they know that all the big whales are actually. What happened? These big whales, all the big industrial people, they are putting their blind faith, not blind faith because they have the team who can do analysts, who are making sure that their decisions are not going wrong. So those are the person who is making sure each and everything is going right. Each and everything is going right for them, and they are doing heavy investment in the cryptocurrencies, not just Ethereum, BTC, Solana, but there are also new coins which they are doing investment on. Okay, so that would be about 1% of all the Bitcoin that will ever exist. Only 21 million BTC can exist in total, because this is not BTC is not that thing which is we usually be coming. They just gave 21 million Bitcoin is the thing which is will be available to a whole world. That's why this is number one. That's why it is rare, because after 21 million is gone, everybody bought it and nobody's trying to give it nobody's trying to sell it. The circulation will be just 21 million. After that, Bitcoin is done. Nobody can ever buy it. It will be collectible kind of stuff. Okay, how are they buying? How are they funding this? On June 24, they raised over 517 million, issuing 54 million new shares. The money is being mostly used to buy more Bitcoin. 96% raised from the fund goes direct to the Bitcoin buy, and 4% goes for the other, like paying interest to all those investors. Because they have to pay interest as well. The people over there, they are not going to be like, okay, yeah, I am giving you my money, you have fun with it. Obviously, they have to make some deal, some returns they might be getting, some interest they might be getting. What is the strategy? They are copying the successful playbook of MicroStrategy, a US company famous for buying a large amount of Bitcoin. Their stock now acts like a Bitcoin investment tool for people who wants Bitcoin exposure without buying Bitcoin directly. The Metaplanet shares have gone up by 500 since the April 2024 after announcing this strategy. What is Metaplanet? Metaplanet is originally a hospitality business. Now it is rebranding itself as a Bitcoin focused company. They call this change as a corporate awakening. Where do they stand right now? With the current holding, Metaplanet is one of the largest Bitcoin holder in Asia. Their Bitcoin is now worth $1.3 billion. That's the similar how much Tesla held at one point. What's next? Metaplanet plans to buy even more Bitcoin. That I told you, 210,000 Bitcoin they need by the end of 2027. Okay, so this is the Metaplanet. They are buying more. They are buying like crazy, and they are also like buying in a one sequence, like 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 1,234. But in the sequence, then previously they bought some 555 plan, 555 million plan, billion plan they were having for the Bitcoin. So everything is going in very numerologically for them. They must be having some connection with the Astro Talks or something. The Astro Pandit must be telling them that do this, do that, do this, do that. Now, the other news which I want to tell you all people is regarding the crypto price prediction of XRP, SPX 600, 6,900, Shiba Inu, and overall market review we will be talking about. Okay. A ceasefire between Israel and Iran has brought a renewed confidence to the crypto market. Like we have seen, the market fall down by 98. Again, we can see the market is going up, trying to come above 108 range, which are good fair value gap of the selling sets. This is a supply zone of our, which the market is again coming and drastically fall. So like whenever you can see the market comes drastic fall, market comes drastic fall, market comes drastic falls. This is why I told you to understand the fair value gap. Fair value gap talks about that there are limit order placed for who? For those big industrial people. Our thing is not going to do anything. Okay, the big industrial people are the one who is changing the market. We are just surviving. But even surviving is not bad. Okay, surviving is like you cannot make a change, you cannot be king, that is for very very sure, but you still can earn money, that is also for very very sure. Okay, so the total market cap is steady at $3.42 trillion. If I get A trillion. Just can you just imagine, guys, like what happens if you get a trillion? A trillion, not billion, not billion, trillion. Whenever we speak in this way. Like, see, I don't know, like when people say trillion, I don't like get that good hear about it. I don't feel that good about it. Like I don't imagine that money. But when I say it, because I have a very strong visualization. If I say something, I visualize that. And whenever I visualize like trillion, what could be a trillion? If I fill this whole room with a trillion money, how much money that would be? Like how much money would that be? If I make it an $100 bill, okay, like $100 note. If I join that $100 note from one point to another, okay, like I'm not having cash right now. If I would have explained you. I'm having Indian currencies, but I'm not using cash in the way anymore. Everything is like tap, Apple Pay, so no cash needed. Just for example, I will show you what my brain is thinking. I will show you because you need to know what my brain is thinking. Okay. For example, this is $100. This is $100. If you keep on joining $100 like this, like one after another, end to end, you start joining, and I give you $1 trillion to join in $100 bills. There are no 50s in it, just $100, $100, and I'm giving you $1 trillion to just do that thing. Just keep on matching from one end to another, from one end to another. What do you think? Where it will go and how much distance can you cover? What do you think? I have thought about it and I have calculated it as well. If you have $100 bill and you are having a cash worth of $1 trillion, do you know that money can go around Earth, a complete Earth distance, like from one place, if you just go around, and it can join back twice. Even after going around the whole Earth, coming back to that one point, again doing that second round, 2 rounds of whole Earth, we still left money to make that thing join and reach to the moon. That is $1 trillion. That is $1 trillion. One. In a cash of $100 bills. It can do round twice of Earth, and even after that, it can touch the moon. That much money is $1 trillion. That much money is it. And our market cap of Bitcoin is sitting at 3.42 trillion. The popular meme coins like Pepe, Trump, SPX 6900 and Fartcoin have hit new all-time high. The investors are now watching for the big breakouts among the major altcoins. First one, which I want to give you top 5, top 6 kind of coins for all of you to keep an eye on. Okay, keep first your eye. Do not just go blindly and invest. Have research, observe that coin for a week, maybe months, and then you go for investment. First is XRP, Ripple. XRP is designed for the fast and lowest cost international payment. It is widely supported even by global organizations like United Nations. The SEC lawsuit against XRP ended in Ripple's favor in 2024, removing a major barrier. The XRP has jumped 363% up in the last year, outperforming Bitcoin by 72%. Bitcoin just went 72%, but XRP went 363. That means how many people are actually investing in XRP right now. The bullish chart pattern suggests that XRP might hit 3.50, beating the old record of 3.40. Okay, that is possibility in the market. The key points which you should be looking at is a legal win plus a strong tech equals to high growth potential. They were having case, they were defamed a little, but they won the case, and now they are having a strong technology as well, like the most fastest and the lowest cost international payment for them. Now SPX 6900 mimics the S&P 500 name, but it is purely a joke coin which is satirically content.